Hey everybody, I'm Super Machine 92. Welcome to another video of Speedy Creativity Birthday and Spooktacular 2. And to inform everyone, yes, I'm on a week's vacation, but I don't want to leave out my creativity one week because I brought some stuff with me, such as the color palette paints, color for my both sits, and this pad is much different from the big one back at home. Although, despite that I'm in a different environment, at least I have some creative ways of doing it. So, so I only got 3 paint brushes and 8 paint colors. So, anyways, let's get this started, shall we? So today, I'm creating, for the birthday side, you have the blue skater dude, and on the spectacular side, pink hair witch, a character that was outvoted twice in Volume 1 and Volume 3 during the holiday creation activity. So nonetheless, despite the different environments, I believe we'll do just fine for 1 week. So with all that said, let's create. Now, the blue skater dude is inspired by me, who always wears blue most days, such as the blue skateboard, blue helmet, the blue skate pads, blue clothes, and of course the blue shoes. Man, I have blue of everything, but I'm a red guy at heart, since red is much blue than blue, in my opinion. But I'd be lying if blue has more supremacy than red. That is true, at least for everyone else. For me, red is cool, but blue is also cool as well, since blue is my 4th favorite color. As for the pink hair witch, it's nice of me of bringing her in this one, since she couldn't find a place to stay since he was outvoted by 2 other characters for the Halloween creation. So it's nice of me to bring her in after a while. So I hope you guys enjoy the creation of Blue Skater Dude and Pink Hair Witch. For some reason, I have to change paint brushes since this one I'm using now was pretty worthless. All done, although not much of a creative thing I wanted to picture, but at least I try. So I hope you guys enjoy, once again, the creation of the blue skater dude and the pink hair witch. That is it for today, and I'll see you guys again on Thursday. I'm Super Machine 92, and wish me luck on a safe vacation. Bye!